France. Or if you're American, Air France. Oh, that looks like a Lulinor. It's a 737-200. It's Vision. Oh my God, I can't speak. Lulinor Tours. Glad I got that. Oh, I barely got that. Oh. Sorry for the shaking. I'm really zoomed in, as you can see by now. Yeah, the old turn around to do the landing. Timing, baby. Good timing. Another biggie. Ooh, I'm glad I got that. I don't even know what the hell airline that is. Oh, I think it's Air Algérie, actually. New livery. All right. Right on. Just walked out of the Metro Sauvé. Oh man, it's the 737-200, I think. Yeah, nice and vintage. Landing approach. crossing over Sauve train station. Wait, is it a 737-200? No, no, sorry, I think I made a mistake. No, my bad. A319, A320, A321. You know, planes are just like almost all the other things that are just not like they used to be. You know, like imagine plane spotting in the old days. You had Canada Air, that was after CP Air, and you had Quebec Air, Eastern, Northern, all kinds of airlines, specifically in Canada. There's one Canadian one I'm not thinking of. Same as before. Hey, I try, man. I try, you know. I got the camera set at 800 ISO. And making a landing approach here on a Saturday afternoon heading into evening. Looks like Sunwing, eh? 737. They're gonna make that slow U-turn there, so to speak. With winglets. Spooky looking clouds coming in. Nothing severe on the radar though. Oh, it's great to be back here. I was only here last year with my bro. Is he taking off here all of a sudden? The wind's coming from the north, that's why. It's coming from the northwest.
Jetzt habe ich gewaschen, der Bag.
I never thought I would have the 47 roll fast over here. All thanks to my parents who live in Lachine.
Jetzt 3000. En dan zich schon auf die große Frage stellen, Benzi. Nein, ich kick schon nicht auf jene Benzi. Ich kick auf jene Benzi. Kick mal Finger. Ich kick auf jene, aber jene geht sich auf ein. Das ist ein Job. Jetzt gibt es.
Oh wow. Good timing. I've been here, what, 5 minutes? Here comes a jumbo jet, man. This looks like a 787. Actually, that looks like an A350 even, I think. Look at the size of them motors. Awesome. I remember the first time I came here with Ben, oh my god, that was like, I don't know, 8 years ago or whatever. I had a regular D3100 Nikon. Great camera, but it was only a 28mm lens, so there was like no zoom. So with my eyesight, you can't really tell what's coming. I hope these folks, they leave in a while. I think that's an Embraer. I know a Air Canada stewardess. She's one of a kind, man. Real special lady, I tell you right now. She's a Gen X like me. She could be on that plane. I was just wondering before that plane took off that, was this the Montreal airport who came up with this idea to have this lookout here for all the people, or is it the city of Montreal? Anyway, I tip my hat off to them, you know, so awesome. You know, it's amazing is that Montreal is one of the most popular cities in the world to live. I should know, I've been living here my whole life. But yet, compared to other cities, Toronto, Los Angeles, New York, Chicago, etc., there's not a variety of airlines as there is here. As there is there compared to here, it doesn't even compare. It's just mostly Air Canada, Air Transat, and then everybody else. Yeah, you see, my other camera would have never been able to zoom in that much. Now I'm really zoomed in at the airport terminal here. Transat. What else? Air Canada. Anything else? Oh, that's a big one there. He's a big one. What the heck? Yeah, probably should have came here later. Lighting would have been softer, and there would have been more variety of planes. And there's a big wasp or something there. Get out of here! Va-t'en là! Putain, get out of here! Ah, the CRJ, the king of regional jets. I think it's a CRJ. think that's a Learjet. Well, what the hell do I know? I can't help think of that classic oldie. Ride, Captain, ride. But what the hell? I just noticed a cut on my arm. Going to the shops, eh? Making a lot of noise over here. Oh, American Airlines. I do miss your livery when you had no livery. All you had was a few stripes. Yeah, it's nice, but you know, it's not the same. Whatever happened to, like, well, you know, we saved thousands of dollars on fuel from having less weight of paint on the body, so I don't know. Fuselage. Oh, look what we got coming here. Yeah, baby. Looks like an AC, I think. There it is. There's a people mover. Those things have been around forever. If I'm correct, they still have Detroit diesels in them, but you can't hear them practically when you're on the other side of the airport because of all the engine noise from the jet engines running. Yeah, American Airlines cleared for takeoff. Funny thing is, if I were to come here later on another day, all this side of the plains will all be dark because the sun will be like, well, you see it's pretty much almost overhead, but it'll be more to the over there to the west, northwest. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, I thought it was Air Portugal. No, it's a flare. I think they're pretty damn cool, funky livery. But I think, you know, because they're such low prices to fly, I would imagine they still are anyway, that the comfort is probably not too good. You know, like the equivalent of taking a megabus down to Toronto from Montreal or something, you know. That looks like a 737, I think. I imagine. See, that's what sucks about winter. You can't do this in the winter. I mean, look, there's just a little bit of wind. Imagine no winter. You know, it's like -5. But a wind like this, it'll feel like -15, -20. It's unbearable. Our friends jet over there will be taking off later, I'm sure. Worst lighting ever. can't believe how many people are here, especially all these kids. You know, one of the good thing about these people bringing all their kids here is that you know there's going to be one of these kids one day is so infatuated is going to become a pilot one day or an airline mechanic. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about. It's like me with the old cars. I love classic cars. I mean, look at the t-shirt I'm wearing. There's my friend's channel. And, you know, there's always, like I always say, there's not enough young people interested in classic cars, but there's always some out there. There's always going to be a few of them out there. They're different. They love those cars for the same reasons that you, well, hopefully you or me anyway, that love those cars. Whatever they may be. Just different. But I barely got it. Barely. Air Algérie, I think. Oh man. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, what the? Glad I got that big beauty. Oh baby. Nice. It's all Air Canada though. Jeez, you would think that's all there was flying in and out of here. Oh, is that what I think it is? Lufthansa Airbus A340, a dying breed. 4-engine plane, that is. Oh, awesome. Oh my god, is that a 747? Oh, I thought it was a 747. For a second. For a few seconds. Pretty much looks like that. Of course, has that bulge. God, is it a 747? Am I so blind? No. Wow, great catch. Me was here on Henri Bourassa thinking, where are the planes landing? God, it's too hot today. Air Transat number 2. By the way, as far as I know, they're Airbus A330s. They're probably all over 20 years old. Unless somebody wants to correct me if I'm wrong. And Francois Legault there, the hero, running up for a re-election. He used to be the president of that company. Well, he's not stupid, eh? He didn't run him into the ground. Yep. little bit windy today. Well, out here on this bridge anyway. Ah, yes, sir. Let's hoping to see some foreign flights. That big old Air France.